Hi, I made this course to share my strategies and thoughts on paintings with other painters who want to add more excitement and more color harmony to their work. In this course, I'm going to paint with oil paint, but if you want to, you can use acrylic paint. I'm going to be painting a still life, flowers, which is one of my favorite subjects. And through that topic, I'll be able to explain to you the idea behind color, about a simplified way to begin your painting, and an approach to edges, which will make your paintings have more energy and excitement. This course is made for painters, and it can be a new painter or an experienced painter. New painters will learn a simplified way to approach. You can start with good habits instead of bad habits that you have to break later. Whereas experienced painters who are looking to up their game a little bit will find things that they can use to improve their paintings. I'm going to explain what you think about before you ever begin your painting, because that's really the most important step. How to approach what you want to say, and the things that you do to say that in your painting, because your painting is a conversation. And then once you have that in mind, how you begin it. How do you simplify all that various color and shapes and values? I will begin painting the subject and showing you how all the ideas we talked about before end up in the painting. Join me today as I demonstrate my painting methods and techniques. I'm Trisha Adams. Thank you for joining me.